Yo, what's up, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls of all ages? It's your boy Paul the Same, back with another video. Just wanted to wish everyone a happy new year.
What are you saying, man? What are you saying? What is he saying?
I disappeared for a while, a very long while.
We interrupt this program to bring you a special report.
Disclaimer. The video was filmed in January of 2025. Please subscribe to this channel for more videos. Subscribe now. Click the subscribe button. Your support means a lot to me, so please subscribe. Hit the subscribe button to stay updated. Don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe for more content. Subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my videos. Subscribe for updates. Subscribe now. Subscribe now. Subscribe for subscribing.
In today's video, like you saw in the title and thumbnail, it's just something short. I want to show you how to switch the server's light off on a Golf Mk1. So, I don't know what's this thing here. Please, can you leave me alone? Okay, say hello. Say hello. Char, you must go wash your face, bro. Say hello. Okay, let's tell them to subscribe, bro. Anyways, I don't know what this funny thing is on the side of my camera. I think my screen protector, I need a new screen protector. Please, can you leave me alone? Please. Hey, call your dog. Call your dog. Okay, yeah, this year we're working on the car some more as usual. I need to get this fixed. This year I have to get it fixed. Without further ado, let's get into the video. So yeah, there's it. You can see the server's light, that spanner key is on there, nah. It shows that oil light, nah. So this is how you switch it off. I don't know how I'm gonna do this with two hands, but we're gonna try our best, nah. So what you must do is switch the car off, and you must press and hold this button in. Let me just get someone to hold the camera quickly. So here's my assistant. Come. She's gonna help me. Say hello. Come hold the camera here for me. Hold it here. Like this. As I position it like this. Don't move. Just hold the camera like this. So what you're gonna do is must press and hold this knob in. And you switch the car on. Then we wait, and we carry on waiting. You see those three lines? You switch the car off. When you switch the car on again, it's disappeared. So that's how you do it. So you just calculate how many seconds you must hold it in for. Thank you, my assistant. So yeah, you just calculate how long you need to hold it in for it to go away. What's happening? I must cut my hair, must shave my beard, trim my beard. But yeah, that's how you take the server's light away. Finish it in that. Simple. I actually waited a whole week just so I can film this video for you guys. So yeah, let's be grateful. Anyways, I'll check you in the next video. Thank you, and thank you is us. It's your boy Paul the Same, and we're signing off.